morning. This is Janice with Janny Lee Gig Economy. It's 10:57 right now. I'm picking up a Foodja catering order at California Pizza Kitchen here in Glendale. The pickup is due at 11:10. So I'm headed up there. Have to park. I usually park in this parking garage. It's free parking as long as I get my ticket validated. So I also like to say something else. Today is my birthday. I turned Hello. Yes, Office Express Foodja order. Okay, thank you. So I set the pizzas in this catering bag, and I'm gonna put the rest of the food in this one. Orders are nicely packed in my trunk. Now I'm ready to drive to the hospital to drop off. My validated parking ticket. Office Express Foodja for Jeanette.
We're gonna go down that hallway.
Okay, I'll let you go first.
Okay.